We as Indians usually have a belief that overseas brands offer more value for money when compared to local brands. But at the same time, it is important to note that there are countless Indian origin brands out there that offer significant global competition to foreign brands. This time I am trying something new. I'll be sharing stories of Indian brands, and if this works out well, we'll continue this as a series. We will discuss about the history, how they started, their vision, analyze their marketing campaigns, and what you can learn from them. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Speaking Brand. The brand for today is Ellen Solly. And yes, it's an Indian brand.
Yeah.
Ellen Solly was founded in 1744 by a company called William Hollin and Co. Limited. The brand was bought in the 90s by a company called Madura Garments. Madura Fashion and Lifestyle is one of India's fastest growing branded apparel companies. To your surprise, Louis Philippe, Peter England, Planet Fashion, Ellen Solly, Van Heusen, all these brands come under one umbrella, and that is Madura Fashion and Lifestyle. In 2001, Madura was acquired by Aditya Birla Group, which then became the undisputed leader in ready-made men's industry in India. As we know that every good brand story comes with a unique and creative brand tag. The brand tagline of Ellen Solly is My World, My Way. It was formed to show the brand's new trend. Ellen Solly's positioned itself as relaxed formals, a casual workwear among the young professionals. At that time, when workplace formals were clouded with greys and white, they inspired them to change things by lighting up the workplace through a whole new range of peppy work casuals in bold colors and innovative fabrics. Now let us take a look at the marketing strategies. Ellen Solly ad campaigns are equally spread in print as well as on digital media. The best thing about the brand is that they aim to sell the idea itself and not just a product. In 1995, the launch advertising of Ellen Solly was conceptualized by the creative agency Ogilvy. They came up with the iconic term Friday dressing, and this phrase caught on like a wildfire. It signified a critical change in the attitude of serious work week to dress code of the relaxed easy achievers. They established themselves as a premium brand in the smart casual space. Ellen Solly with Friday dressing created a new segment. This new market also encouraged other international casual brands like Celio, US Polo and Tommy Hilfiger to enter the Indian market. Ellen Solly Twitter campaign also generated a lot of buzz in the social media space. They developed a Twitter-powered billboard that consists of shirts for the tweeting audience. 52 shirts were placed. This innovative idea was conceptualized to launch a new clothing collection at Ellen Solly. With every tweet with a significant hashtag, the shirt falls right into the hands of the lucky tweeters. This campaign generated over 1 lakh impressions in just 90 minutes and also trended high on Twitter. In the year 2012, Ellen Solly started a process of rebranding. The new logo of stag, symbol of the city of Nottingham, was introduced. That is quite significant in most of their campaigns. The recent advertisements have been really effective as they have been trying to touch emotional points of their audience. One such ad campaign is Made with Hand, Made with Love. With the aim of highlighting the undying spirit, creativity, skills, and craftsmanship of their garment workers, Ellen Solly launched this new digital film. While the whole world was shut down, there were some who could never give up, even during a crisis. Their objective behind this ad was to support our local community, given the external situation, and at the same time create a handcrafted range for consumers.
Asha, along with her co-workers and our designers,
imagined and embroidered hopes and dreams on fabric. Each piece a story in itself. A story of the undying human spirit. A story of skill and craftsmanship. Introducing Alan Solly Handmade Collection. Made with hands, made with love.
Their ownership campaign also generated quite a buzz and was highly appreciated. Ogilvy has conceptualized this new film that uses measuring tape as a metaphor to showcase various fit issues that women face with respect to dresses. The film features 3 women of 3 different body shapes grappling with the measuring tape. The objective was to encourage women to go out and own their shape. Jayant Gurumurthy, creative director at Alan Solly, said, "When we talk about dresses, we usually talk about fashion, color and styling. But here, we wanted to focus on fit." Alan Solly follows a unique model of brand growth and values. The brand exclusively works over new designs with changes in fashion trends. They are the most extensive dynamic market in the textile industry as they are owned by Madura Garments. They already had a very strong distribution network of Aditya Birla Group. Alan Solly is focused on metros and Tier 1 cities for their targeted customers, considering their requirement and purchasing powers. The brand have more than 200 retail outlets and a very strong e-commerce space. Now what we get to learn from this brand? First, digital transformation. Aditya Birla Group has developed an industry-first online merchandise booking process in which 2,000 plus wholesale customers book orders digitally every month, instead of the traditional model of seeing actual samples first and committing to orders for 6 months at a time. Fashion trends change rapidly. From the designer's concept board to a customer's wardrobe, the time has shrunken considerably from 8 months to as few as 45 days because of this digital transformation. Digital transformation should be a strategic priority for your business. Second, stick to the original position. As a brand, they were never deviated from their original position. Their vision is very clear, and that is why corporate collaboration is their main strategy to increase their sales and visibility to their targeted customers. Third, embracing the online market. The brand has gone all out in its online expansion. Aditya Birla Group has a very strong technological integration with Amazon, Myntra and Jabong. They are almost on all large e-commerce websites in India. Not only that, they also provide seamless operations between its online and offline platforms so that it does not make a difference to customers whether they buy products online or offline. Without warning and without choice, brands and retailers have had to adapt to a pandemic that no one saw coming, as most of the people will remain indoors even after the pandemic. These actions have resulted in consumers changing their shopping behaviors, which in many cases have resulted in transactions moving online. To summarize, Alan Solly has truly revolutionized on the new age workwear needs, and it was a lot of fun learning about the brand. I hope you were able to take something from this video. I would request that if you enjoyed the video, then please do give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you found interesting about Alan Solly. And if you are new to the channel and interested in marketing and branding related stuff, then please subscribe. Thank you.